It's the next day. I didn't get everything done that I planned on doing last night. I did get everything done except for this table built, but I did it today. It's pretty dang cute. I can't get the doors to shut all the way. This one's fine. That one is not shutting all the way. And I actually had that side over here. I was like, maybe it's because it's over here. So I switched it and it's doing the same thing over there. But I really do like it. I think it's really cute. Just a faulty door. I'm not sure like how I'm decorating over here, but I like it. I think it's cute. I am thinking about building shelves to go on each side of the fireplace. Sometimes I really love that this isn't like matchy-matchy, and then sometimes it drives me crazy. What do you guys think? I know it's very like, everyone does the shelves on the sides, and so that's kind of why I wanted to do something different. But I'm starting to think that maybe it would just look a little bit better if it was kind of the same. I just really, really love this. So I'm gonna have to find somewhere to put that. But anyways, I don't know. I definitely want to keep the chair here, and I like that that is over there. So I don't want to do like that matchy-matchy, but I was just thinking about the shelves on each side. Let me know what you think. I have a giant mess down here that I need to clean up, but instead of doing that, I'm upstairs crafting, and I'm just going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm about completely done with all of my Valentine's crafts, and I just have some things drying. So I wanted to do something while it was drying because I have a podcast on. If you're wondering what I was listening to, it's called That's Messed Up, an SVU podcast where they talk about the TV show SVU, and then they talk about the real crime that they based the episode off of. Anyways, I'm going to paint this. I think I've showed it before and I didn't get around to painting it, but I'm going to mix paint with baking soda so that it looks more like pottery. And you want to paint too?
I want to paint this top.
Oh, you just want to paint that top? I love that idea. Okay. I also got some clay because I wanted to take some of the things that I have, like add little handles or different things like that to it. Whereas what?
The clay.
The clay? I'm not going to show you right now because I don't want it to dry out. But I have a fun craft idea for us to make together with the clay.
What?
Okay, as soon as I get all of this cleaned up. Oh man. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is what it looks like when I'm crafting. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, I'm gonna show you this before. This plant is stuck inside. I can't get it out. I like had to bend it to put it in, and I can't get my hand in there to unbend it and like get it out. So I just have to paint around it. What color would you paint this? I think I'm just gonna go with like a pinkish tannish, mostly tannish with like a little like maybe terracotta. No, not terracotta. I don't know. I'm just gonna mix some colors together. I'm assuming this is going to need 2 coats, and I was going to mix this chalk paint and cashew with this. I love this color, but I don't have a ton of it left, so I was going to do like a base coat, and this is so thick that I don't think I'm going to mix the baking soda with it, at least for the first coat. Maybe for the next. Can you see the sneak peek here? This is like one of my favorite crafts, and it was so easy. Oh, and I also worked on this cute old guy last night. Let me know what you think, and if you would like to see more videos like this, where I'm just kind of crafting and showing what I'm doing. I'm always doing little crafts like this. I don't always film them, but I would love to if you guys like them, so let me know. Thank you for this cute little picture. I love it. You what? Thanks. That's the best surprise. That's the best thing to see. There he is. There's Winston. I was just asking where you were. There's Rosie. Hi, sis. You guys are cute. Rosie's like, I don't want to play with you. I want to play with mom. I'm loving this. I even like this color, actually. Oh, shoot. I was going to turn it, and I forgot that I painted the inside, which is still wet. This detail. Oh, looks so good. I love it. I don't know if I should change the color. I kind of love it. Maybe just like a little bit of pink, because that is like pretty yellow. Okay, I don't know why it took me so long to finally do this technique with like the baking soda, but I love it and I think this looks so cute. I don't know if this is like the ideal vase to do this with, but I just haven't used it for so long, so I wanted to do something with it and I really love it. I love like the texture and I think it looks so cute. You can see the details of the vase even more. I tried to kind of like soften the edges a little. I love it. I'm excited. What do you think about the color? So this was the color before, and this is the color now. It actually looks prettier in this camera. This one does. This looks a little more yellow in real life, but I really like both colors actually. This is my custom color though. If you haven't tried this yet, this technique, definitely give it a try because that's dang cute. Okay, I painted this one, and then last night I put these little handles on with air dry clay. And when I came up, this one had fallen off and this one was pulled away. So I moved it a little bit and then it broke off all the way, which is fine. You can actually sand this. So I'm just going to sand it and then glue it on and then use that same technique to paint this vase. So this is just from the Dollar Tree. And then you can get this air dry clay. I just got it at Walmart for pretty cheap. And you can do so many things. I have a really fun idea that I'm going to do soon, but like totally gonna change the look of this. So I'll show you when this is done too. I'm gonna try to get this all hot glued together and then I'll show you. And then there's just the other one over here. Bonk. Having tacos for dinner. Tacos for dinner. And these are the random things that we watch while we're eating. Just random YouTube videos. We were watching, what were we just watching? Animals being turned into characters.
No, Ninja Turtles.
The Ninja Turtles. Wasn't it Minecraft too? Yeah. You having a taco?
Look at SpongeBob.
Are you having another taco?
Look at this.
Guess who wants a taco?
Look at this.
You can have some in a
Look
minute.
at SpongeBob.
Ew. That's so gross.
I like costume.
Gary.
Yeah. Rosie.
Sneaker, that's why she begs. Yes, you can. But now you need to eat the rest. Squidward?
Yeah.
Mr. Krabs? I love how this turned out. It's so cute and everything worked out good. I do think I want to make the bottom a little darker, so that's what I'm doing. Just like a line here. We'll see what it looks like. I do like this color and I do like it like this. Very cute. Just wanted to add a little bit more to it. Hey guys, I'm late to this whole concept, but I'm obsessed with it. I have so many ideas and so many things I want to do. And so many things that you can do with just Dollar Tree items. I will show you when I get around to doing the rest, but I love this. Thank you so much for watching. I know that my vlogs have been like so random. Like it's just been random clips from different days of the week, and that's how I've been vlogging lately. But it's been showing you the different things that I've been doing throughout the week that I really love doing. Making crafts and doing those little felt art things just is so stress relieving to me, and has helped with my anxiety, and just, I don't know, I just love it. I know some people hate doing little tedious things, but I love it, and it makes me feel better. So
Hey, Mom.
I love it. Yes.
Can I get to the skate park?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah. Go make sure that's okay with Dad. That's okay with me.
Okay.
Who do you guys ask when you guys want to go and do something? Do you ask Mom or do you ask Dad? I'm always like, I don't care, but I always have them ask Casey too. No, I always ask my mom. My dad was always like, I don't care, ask Mom. Isn't that funny how it's different? Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.
I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again, but life is one big riddle of the future and what's been.